Hi, I'm Mindy.
Hi, I'm Earl.
And welcome back to another episode of
Nature Chasers!
Oh, hi there. Good morning. Let's go get my pal Earl. Because today's episode we're doing animals. Earl! Earl!
Oh, hey, Mindy. I just had a long night of practicing French loyalty and looking at the manual. I'll be right out.
In today's episode of Nature Trackers,
Foragers.
Chasers, we'll be tracking the elusive and poisonous Mongolian one-eyed limping moss cat. Alrighty, we gotta track out our day on the map.
Turkey Twin Powers activate!
Ow!
Thanks to the Wilderness Traveler's 17 global satellites, we were able to locate a Mongolian one-eyed limping moss cat here in Mindy's backyard. Before we begin our trek, we better make sure that we're properly equipped.
That's true, Earl. We need our glasses to protect our retina from the retina-burning acid and the cornea-crushing power of the acid.
Poison vat eye.
Poison bad eye.
Gotta watch out for those poison vat eyes.
Poison. Earl, come quick!
Clearly these are the droppings of some kind, but we better check out the manual before we make any sudden decisions.
Due to the rock-like texture and rock-like shape, it seems that this moss cat, if it is truly a moss cat, had a low-fiber diet.
Very low fiber. Must have really hurt to pass that feces. Alright, let's check it out. Yeah, it looks just like moss cat feces. Due to mine and Mindy's expertise in the tracking of Mongolian one-eyed limping moss cats, we have come prepared with a French flag because everyone knows that Mongols cannot resist conquering weaker countries such as France. We're going to set it up in order to lure the moss cat into our domain. Psst, Mindy, I think I have a tick.
Where?
If I had to guess, I'd say somewhere on my face, possibly near my right eye. Prior to recovering from my Lyme disease incident, we have finally located the moss cat in a cave deep in the forest in Mindy's backyard. Oh no, it spotted us!
Watch out for the poison bad eye! No! My wilderness comrade! His retina's burned straight out! Earl! There was so many animals left to track! Oh! Such loyal viewers, and staying with us for today's episode of Wilderness Chasers. We are now hiring someone named Earl.